Namaste everyone. Shilpa Shastra, the science of sculpture. It is an ancient term that refers to a wide range of Vedic knowledge that describes arts and crafts. Shilpa means sculpture and Shastra means science. Shilpa Shastras were manuals for sculpture and Vedic infographics in the context of temple design, prescribing the extent of a sculptured figure, composition, principles, meaning, and architectural rules. In this video, we will take a quick look on Silpa Shastra and Vastu Sastra. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification. Okay, let's get started. First, let's understand what is Vastu Shastra. Vastu Shastra, that is science of architecture. It is a traditional Vedic architectural system that originated in Bharatam. The collection of knowledge is called Vastu Vidya. The ancient sages collected the knowledge of architecture and design theories, describing principles of design, layout, measurements, ground preparation, space arrangement, and spatial geometry. All this information was collected and recorded over 5,000 years ago. Shilpa Shastra and Vastu Shastra both are related. Shilpa Shastra deals with arts and crafts such as statues, icons, stone murals, paintings, carpentry, pottery, and many more. Vastu Shastra are concerned with building architecture such as construction of houses, forts, temples, apartments, village and town layouts, and so on. Both Shilpa and Vastu Shastra are discussed in Agamas and Puranas. Vastu Shastra is linked to the history and works of Vishwakarma. Shilpa Shastra contains chapters on miniature and large-scale paintings. For example, chapter 66 and 71 of Narada Shilpa Shastra dedicated to paintings only, while Saraswati Shilpa Shastra describes various types of Chitra, Ardha Chitra, Chitra Bhasha, Varna Samskara. Okay, I understand some of you are wondering what are these terms. Okay, let me explain. Chitra means full painting. Ardha Chitra means sketchwork or outline of a painting. Chitra Bhasha, it means communication through painting, like telling a story through paintings. Varna Samskara, it means preparation of colors. Okay, let's take a look at a sloka from Rigveda, Aitreya Brahmana. Shilpam hasminadi gamyat ya evam veda yadeva shilpani atmanam sanskritir vava shilpani chandonmayam va yadir yajamana atmanam samskrite. It means Shilpani, that means work of art of man, imitates the divine form by employing their rhythms. They metrically reconstitute and interpret the limitless knowledge of the sacred hymns from the limits of being human. In our next video, we will discuss about Acharya Vishwakarma. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for your time. Have a good day, everyone.